What's up, everybody? Time for another video on Autoblogging AI, the AI writing tool. It's really cool. So let's go to the dashboard, log in. You got quick mode, pro mode, godlike mode, Amazon reviews, some free tools. But today we're going to focus on godlike mode. In here, it costs 2 credits for each one. What we're going to do is we're going to find an article to place in godlike mode. So let's go over to the Google machine. Let's say shoveling snow because winter is coming eventually. Now you want to grab an article that's ranking usually on page 1, or if you're doing something for a news site, you can go through the news articles. But for today, let's just go here. Snow shoveling safety tips. I'm going to copy and paste that, the title of the article. And we're going to put it into a tool like Surfer, or you can use Cora, NeuronWriter, Pop, the content optimizing tool of your choice. And here it's for 1 credit. Going to analyze it. Now, while we're waiting for this, we're going to take the URL from this website and we're going to paste it in here. The article title. We can just use this. All right, this is done. Let's go in here. And from up here, you can just export, download the text file, or we could just highlight, copy, and paste all these. Command C, Control C. It depends what machine you're on. Copied. Now in ChatGPT, paste them. Shift return or Shift enter. And then you want to do reformat, remove numbers and slashes, and add commas. Yes, sometimes it does this, and sometimes it adds the commas. So then we can just do please add commas instead of bullets. Figured I'd show you the way when it doesn't work that you have to ask it again nicely. Maybe because I didn't say please. Then I'm going to copy these, go back to godlike mode, throw them in here, paste. They're all in there. Maybe get rid of that period. And we're off. Generate article. Now the article is generated. I opened it up in the Autoblogging AI editor. You can also download it. Let us take all this, copy it, and go back to Surfer or your SEO tool of choice and paste it. Now you see it gives you a score of 41, which is nice. You're starting off with something rather than nothing. It's kind of already optimized. Over here, it'll give you other title ideas. The Autoblogging produces this, gives you other options. Cut that, cut it at H1. And then we're up to a 47. If we go through this, let me delete this. If you go through here and say shoveling snow is over optimized, it'll highlight everything shoveling snow, and then you can go through it and delete it wherever you'd like to bring down that number. Obviously, edit this, go through it, fact check, add your own spin on some things, dumb it down. Sometimes AI is too smart. Right off the bat, it's saying that this is way too long of an article, which is great. Better to have more than less. Sometimes I go through, like I get rid of the conclusion. You can scan quickly and see there's some junk that the AI produces. We can get rid of this if you want. I would probably go in here and like get rid of answer get rid of these questions, but you get the idea. So that's a quick method to use autoblogging with Surfer, Neuron, Cora, Pop, and also with ChatGPT just to clean it up, copy and paste. If you're doing a news article, you probably don't need to add the keywords in there. I usually don't. I don't even bother. But if it's something like this, a blog article, I would do it this way if you'd like to just have it a little bit optimized off the get-go. All right. Talk to you all later. See ya. Bye.